Welcome to MC Class. First, let's get started. Set this workspace. Make sure have a paper and a pencil. Ask mommy and daddy for help. Make a this for art. Cord value. Believe it.
Commit, succeed. Good job. Today we are going to learn how to create inspiring art trading cards. The warm-up. Please shade a quarter. All you need is a paper, pencil, and a quarter. You're going to shade it with the same amount of pressure throughout the entire time. What did you notice? Did you notice anything? Look really carefully. Look at the positive and negative space. Do you see the negative space? Are you able to see the positive space? When you shade your quarter, please make sure that you use the same amount of pressure the entire time. Do you see the negative space? Today we are going to create our own inspiring art trading cards. You can use digital art technology or sketch, magazines, or anything that's really helpful for you to build your own trading card design. And you're going to add stats to the back. I'm using scissors, paper, ruler, glue, a pen, and for the designs that were created in the computer, I downloaded and printed. If you have any questions or you would like to share, please follow Miss C Class on IG so I can see your art trading cards. These art trading card designs were created by Brooklyn Middle School students. And we are going to actually put them all together today. Let's get started. I'm using the following colors that represents each grade level at Brooklyn Middle School. Orange is Super 6. Green is going to be for the extra 4th design that I'll be creating today. Alright, so I'm going to use a ruler to measure the size of the trading card. You want it to be 2.5 to about 3.5 inches. Now in this case, I'm going to make sure that I use the item that is the most biggest so you can see it in this video, and I'm going to simply make sure that all of the cards that I cut are in alignment with the first. You want all your trading cards to be even. That's the goal. Alright, so if you look at this one, this is the sketch design for the art trading card. And then you see the silhouette designs which were created in digital art form. So now I'm going to cut along the edges to make sure that my art trading cards are nice and neat. And then I'm going to use orange for Super 6 at Brooklyn Middle School, because a 6th grader created this card. So I'm going to go ahead and place the design on this right here. I'm going to make sure that I use the scissors just to pat all the glue into place. See, now that I've glued it together, I am going to find teal for the 7th grade at Brooklyn Middle School. So Sensational 7, I'm going to use one of your designs. And then of course I'm going to use the sketch from an 8th grader, which is the Elite. And I'm going to use the purple, which represents 8th graders at Brooklyn Middle School. Now let's look really carefully. I have all my trading cards. And I want to go back to the quarter because I want you to see how the positive space and the negative space works together. Now, if you remember, the positive space is actually the item itself is the main image, and the negative space is the background. Now I'm going to use the ruler to draw a line on the back of the trading card so I can write some details. You are going to add your name on the first line, your grade on the second line, and what are we going to place on the third? That's right, we're going to put the name of your school on the third line. Now you have your statistics. Good job. You've successfully went through the creation of your artist trading cards. For more information on art trading cards, please visit youtube.com/DC Public Schools.